Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. And today is finally time to play for you the last song, Princess Waltz, from the John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course, Part 1. So it's the last song of the John Thompson Part 1. Finally, I could say, I have completed the first big project for you. As usual, I will play first at high speed, then I will explain many things maybe this time, and then I will play at slower speed. This one obviously is using all the notes that you have learned until today. There are 5 that you are playing with the right, 5 with the left, but one of them is in common, is the middle C played by the thumbs. So we have 9 notes in total, 9 keys. Playing at high speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is Princess Waltz played at very high speed, maybe 1 intermediate, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, now it's time to talk about the structure of this piece, the way it is made. So pay attention 1 second. Now I do a few things and then I will explain what I'm doing. Then start asking yourself why Gianluca is doing that. Pay attention. Question number 1. Which one is this note? This is the G that is on the second line of the treble clef stave played by the little finger of the right hand. So G played by the little finger, this one. Which one is this? Isn't it the same? So this is the 3rd note of the first bar, 3rd note of the second bar. Same story, again G, 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 G. Pay attention, G, 3rd note, G, 3rd note of this bar. 3rd note is again the G, 3rd note is again the G. Oh my god, just the G, simply the G. And now let's move 1 second to the left hand. Each 2 bars, which one is this note? This is the G played by the 4th finger of the left hand. Exactly this one. Let's check now. 2nd note. So, first block of 2, 2nd block of 2. Again the G, isn't it? Again the G, after 2 bars. Look, again the G. Quite interesting. So, on the left we have each 2 bars we have the G. On the right the 3rd note of each bar is the G. And now let's move on, back to the right. In this block of 2 bars, the 2nd note is the E played by the 3rd finger. But look, from now on for 4 bars, the 2nd note of the bar is the F played by the 4th finger. F, F, F. Here we go back to the E. E, E, same as the first 2 bars. and also here. So this block of 4 bars is played having E and G, E and G, E and G, E and G, with the left playing the first time the C, same as the beginning, and then the G, according to this rhythm of the left, where the second note of each couple of bars is the G. So this is a quite interesting pattern. I suggest you really to focus to maybe copy these big long bars that I've added on top and below, and to do the same on your book. Will help you understanding the structure that is quite simple. It's obvious that then at some point from the 5th bar of the second line things are changing a little bit. Luckily, I should say. Here we have twice F, F and F played by the little finger of the left. Here we have as a third note now F, F and F. The second one is the C the first time and the D the second. And here finally we are moving a little bit more, having G, then C and E, then G, B, F on the right and middle C, E and G on the right and C to end. And that's all you need to know to understand even more the piece. There are patterns repeating at the beginning, and that at some point they stop acting, and then some variation, some difference, some different note finally is entering, and different combinations are in place instead of those very stable and strict patterns. I hope anyways it's all clear now to you, that this explanation helps somehow. And it's time to play it slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Rest. That's all. This is Princess Waltz played also slowly. So, I hope that I have clarified enough. You should definitely be able now to play this piece without any problem if you have been following every single tutorial that I've published, if you are studying correctly, applying my suggestions, also the ones of your teachers, in case you are not my private student and you are having your weekly teacher. Anyways, if you have any question, feel free to comment to let me know how it's going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.